Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian A.C. Mendoza. Dito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, December 9, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay meron po tayong panibagong series which is about 7 postures of prayer. At ang una po natin magiging topic para sa series na ito is praying with faith. Now, ang ating talata po ay magagaling sa Matthew chapter 8 verses 5 to 10. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. The faith of the centurion. So when Jesus had entered Capernaum, a centurion came to him asking for help. Lord, he said, my servant lies home paralyzed, suffering terribly. Jesus said to him, shall I come and heal him? The centurion replied, Lord, I will not deserve to have you come under my roof, but just say the word, and my servant will be healed. For I myself am a man under authority, with soldiers under me. I tell this one, go, and he goes, and that one, come, and he comes. I say to my servant, do this, and he does it. When Jesus heard this, he was amazed, and said to those following him, truly, I tell you, I have not found anyone in Israel with such great faith. Now, tayo po ay dadako sa ating mga katuruan para sa araw na ito upang mas bigyan ng kahulugan ng talatang ating binanggit para sa araw na ito. Una po, he seeks the right person. So, tayo po when we face challenges, ang first step po natin is recognizing who to turn to, kanino tayo lalapit. So, we choose to seek someone who truly has the power to help demonstrate His will, and that is Jesus Christ. So, pangalawa po, he believes in Christ's power. So, faith begins with the belief that the person we seek can will provide the solution. It is not just about asking, but also trusting in their ability to act. And lastly po is he caused Jesus to marvel at his faith. Yung gatong kind po ng faith, it is rare and very impactful talaga because it goes beyond the ordinary, meaning it inspiring even Jesus who recognize and honor such genuine trust. So, paano po natin ma-apply itong tatlong katuruan natin na ito? Ngayon po tayo pwede dadako sa ating application. So, una po natin dapat gawin, seek God first. So, ano man ang sitwasyon mo, gawin mong priority ang ating Panginoon. So, turn to Him as your ultimate source of strength and guidance. Sa Kanya kang humingi ng lakas at gabay. Ikalawa, put your faith in His power. So, tiwala po tayo sa ating Panginoon because He is capable and willing to act on our behalf. So, don't just ask but fully rely on Him to handle what you cannot handle. And ikatlo po, exercise an impressive faith. So, let your faith be bold, consistent, and inspiring. So, we aim to live in a way that demonstrates confidence in God's plan and the power. So, para po sa ating application, lagi po natin tatandaan to seek God first. Unahin po natin ang ating Panginoon na naman ang ating sitwasyon. Ikalawa, put your faith in His power. Matiwala po tayo sa Kanya. Tayo po ay nanampalataya sa ating Panginoon. And lastly is exercise an impressive faith. Naway marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.